Have you ever wanted to turn raw data into beautiful, interactive dashboards? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build interactive reports in Google Data Studio, now called Looker Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create professional dashboards that are easy to share and simple for anyone to explore. Google Data Studio, now called Looker Studio, helps you create interactive reports and dashboards that make data easier to understand. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click Blank Report to create a new report. Next, connect your data source. You can use Google Sheets, BigQuery, Google Analytics, or other supported platforms. After selecting your data source, click Add to Report. Now start building your report by adding charts and visualizations. Click the Insert menu and choose from options like bar charts, pie charts, scorecards, tables, or time series graphs. After inserting a chart, customize it by selecting a dimension and a metric. The dimension organizes your data, like dates or product names, while the metric shows measurable values, like sales or clicks. To make your report interactive, add filter controls. Go to Insert, then choose Filter Control or Date Range Control. These allow users to interact with the report by filtering data based on their needs. You can also customize the design by changing colors, themes, fonts, and layouts to make your dashboard more professional and easier to read. Once everything is ready, preview your report to test all interactions and make sure the visualizations work correctly. Finally, click Share to send the interactive report to others or generate a shareable link. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build interactive reports in Google Data Studio. With practice, you can create dashboards that not only look professional, but also help people make better decisions from data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.